Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong gabing ito ay tungkol po sa desisyon na inilabas ng Monetary Board. So ito po, basahin natin. Ito po ay inilabas noong November 3, 2023. Monetary Board cancels registration as foreign exchange dealer or money changer of Lady Diamond Foreign Exchange Service. The cancellation of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas registration to operate as FXD or MC of Lady Diamond Foreign Exchange Service was approved by the Monetary Board in its resolution number 1414A dated September 22, 2022 pursuant to section 901-N of the Manual of Regulations for Non-Bank Financial Institutions in view of the non-compliance with Republic Act 9160 or the Anti-Money Laundering Act of 2001 as amended and its revised implementing rules and regulations, Section 601N in relation to Part 9 of the MORN BFIQ regulations, Section 901N of the MORN BFI, and for violation of its deed of undertaking as money service business. The Monetary Board, in its resolution number 1167 dated September 7, 2023, denied with finality the request for reconsideration of Lady Diamond Foreign Exchange Service on the cancellation of its registration to operate as FXD or MC.